it's a beautiful day to be alive. Stay tuned. I have more birthday goodies from hubby on an upcoming haul. It feels so nice. It feels so nice. A couple of days ago was my birthday. Look at these beautiful flowers my sister got me. And tulips. And my hubby got me, it's an Instant Pot. I'm so excited to unbox it. I haven't unboxed it yet, but I will. Oh, so nice. Okay, friends, so I have never, ever put anything together myself. I always have my hubby do it, so I am gonna try. I am gonna put together one of my gifts that he bought for me. Let's see how I do. I know you wanted to put it together, but like I said, I want to put it together. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Okay. You can put it right here.
Careful, please. Don't cut yourself.
Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, friends. Okay, friends, here it is. Whew. I think I can handle this. Okay, let's open it. Okay, that was easy. Oh, wow. Cute. I love. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is a part of it. Let's open this. Okay. Oh my gosh, friends. There's so many parts to this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, more pieces. Friends, I don't know. Maybe. Oh my gosh, friends, I don't know. Do you have faith in me, friends? Because I don't know if I have faith in myself right now. These are hard to pull out. Ooh, that is heavy. It's so nice. Once we get to stuff like this, I don't know, friends. I don't know how to use power tools. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Oh no, where's the knife? What do I do with the knife? Oh my gosh. Oh no, friends. Oh, okay. I found it. Can I do this? Oh, you think I can do this? Okay, friends. Woo! I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try until I can't. Until I can't. Okay, so it says to put this part first, right? Oh my gosh. But it's not telling me how to do it. These instructions suck. Oh no. Okay. Come on. I can do this. Okay, so it says first and foremost, I don't know. It says that I need this. No, that's not what it is. Friends, it's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel like I'm missing a part. Wait. I think I'm 1, 2. Oh. Is this it? That's not it. Friends, I don't know. Oh, okay, I got it. I'm gonna do this. Oh my gosh, okay. Let's get that out the way, right? I'm so excited. Okay, so I don't even know how to read instructions because I never do, I just do it. Attach mechanism C to B. Where is mechanism C? Okay, attach mechanism C. Maybe I should make life easier and just have hubby do it. What do you think? Okay. Attach Okay, I see it, but is this it? Yeah, that's it. C to B. I can do that. Okay. So this is, wait. Let's make sure this is B. So A, B. Okay. We're getting somewhere. So let's put these away. my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Oh, it feels so nice. It feels so nice. Okay, so let's make sure there's nothing in here. Okay, so that's attach mechanism C to B with screws J. Where is J? He makes it look so easy when he does it. Oh my gosh. Gosh. I will never be one of those women who say, I don't need a man. Because I do. I don't want to think this hard when it comes to intricate stuff like this. I just want to create, be cozy, take care of myself, take care of my hubby. If you suck at putting things together, please leave a comment so I know I'm not alone. I don't know. Attach C to B with screws. I can't see this. J. Where is screw J? H-I-G-H. Oh, it goes in alphabetical order. Okay, J. I see it. I see it. Okay. We're getting somewhere. So where is J? There. Oh, no. Friends, they didn't even label this. Oh, J. Bubby? Come here, my love. I should have let him do it. Oh, no, friends. No. My love.
Yeah.
Which screw is J? I just don't want to put the wrong thing. So it says here, attach. Read that first one and just point to me because it doesn't tell me which one is J.
It says attach mechanism C to the seat B
Yes.
with screws J.
J.
So that you can adjust. Oh, okay. So you need J, right?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I'm putting something together. Isn't that funny?
Mm-hmm. So you think this is J here? Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh.
Does see, friends?
Shoosh. Let me see that.
Told you. So it wasn't me. I know what I'm doing. I know it's so big. Oh my gosh, it's humongous. You know what, Bubby, can you do it? We're gonna be here all night and we have something else to open that's really intricate. Can you do it?
Goes on the bottom.
I wasn't built for stuff like this.
Yeah. So turn that upside down. Let me see. Yeah. That's where it goes.
This is why I need you.
No. You kicked me out, remember?
I said I'm gonna do it. No, I need you. I need you.
Nah, I decided to, not work. Just go ahead and do what you told me to do the first time. It seemed like you have everything under control.
No.
No. I think I'll just go and
Oh my gosh. Friend.
that thing looked lush.
You did such a great job. Thank you.
That's mine.
You said that's yours?
Yeah, so you gotta lay it down.
Okay.
Put that thing
Right here.
on top of. No. You're gonna match the holes. Let's see if you can do it.
I can do it.
No, I know you can do it.
I just need my glasses. With my glasses, I can do it. It's so small, the way everything is written so small. So here we go. Oh, I got it.
Nope, that's the wrong one. It just goes long way.
Oh, yes.
Voila.
Okay, so that's the way it goes.
Here.
You're gonna have to put together the other gift.
And we have a lot of light out there.
Okay, I can't wait for that one.
All right, now be careful. You don't want to
No.
have it go everywhere because you need to keep them in.
You're right.
Once those screws get tangled up, you're gonna hear this door close. Be careful.
So let me try to figure it out. Okay, I got it. I don't need you anymore. Bye.
You know what? I'm gonna remember that.
I'm
Remember
joking.
that. No.
I love you. I love you so much. Thank you, my love. Okay, so friends, I'm doing this with a little help of hubby. I was able to figure some things out. This is fun. I got that part. So I got that part. I said, don't do it all the way. Yay. This is like another language to me. Okay, so I think, no. Wait. No! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna figure this out if it's the last thing I do. No. No, friends, no. Okay, you know what, friends? I know what my strengths are. This is not my strength. That's it. I throw in the towel. I am gonna wave the white flag. Hubby's gonna come to the rescue. So I'm gonna just let hubby take over. And then when he's done with it, you'll see the final product. I'm sorry I wasted your time. I'm sorry I wasted my time. Friends, I'm so glad that I decided to throw in the towel, because first thing hubby says when he looks at this is, I'm gonna need my drill. So this is my hubby's phone. I wanna see how long it takes him to put it together. See? So he's redoing all my work.
Yeah, this would have taken you forever.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because this is an Allen key wrench. They gave you, what did they give you? They gave you an Allen key wrench where you had to manually do it.
Oh.
Could you imagine doing all of these screws, this screw, that screw, this screw like that with one tool?
That's true.
But we have this.
Yeah.
You're done, you know?
Yeah. That's why I have you.
Mm-hmm.
Hubby just finished. Okay, so friends, this is where I used to sit, right? This stool right here, no back. I can slump a lot in this slouch. Let me show you my new setup. Let me show you. Thank you, hubby. What a beautiful birthday gift. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Bubby.
It looks so comfortable.
Oh my gosh, it's so comfy. Let me push
I
it
might
up.
sleep in that.
You silly. Okay, does it go up? Is this as high as it goes?
I don't know. You have to put your foot on the ground
Okay.
and then try it. Like stand up a little bit.
Okay, like this?
Yeah, or
It's a little short. Hold on. You see, that's a good thing we put the wheels in.
I think it goes higher.
You think?
Okay,
something... let's see. Hold on. It looks like there's something
Told you.
I just got really excited because it's...
Here, let me push you in like a little kid.
Okay. Push me in.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh, friends, this is so comfy. Bubby.
Oh, that looks amazing.
It does. It's so nice. Look, and then I can push back. Oh, for my self-care days when I got like my little mask on my face, this is perfect. Oh, it's so comfy.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, I love it so much, hubby. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
What a beautiful birthday gift. This is so nice.
Mm-hmm. I wish it had a headrest.
It does. Grab it.
It's a backrest.
Grab the backrest. I don't need a headrest because when I'm creating,
You don't want to be lazy.
yeah,
I get it.
I don't
Here.
want to be lazy. So let's see as if I need more cushion.
I think it's going to be really uncomfortable.
You did so good with this. I'm gonna put this on the couch.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh my gosh, no, it's not uncomfortable. It feels nice.
It does?
Oh yeah, it feels nice. This
Okay.
is so good. And I can put it back here. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is it right here.
Good.
Hi friends!
Hilarious.
Today, we're gonna be, whee! Ooh. Are you down for putting together the other birthday gift? Friends, wait till you see what, friends, I can't wait for you to see what hubby got me. Oh my gosh. I needed this. This is just so perfect. Oh my gosh.
And it's a beautiful color. It fits your room.
It fits the room, yeah.
It looks so beautiful.
Oh,
It's so plush.
It's so plush, friends. I'm so excited and happy. Oh my gosh. My hubby is the most thoughtful human being. Oh my gosh. The ultimate test is gonna be, does it fit my table? Let's see. Oh my gosh, friends. This is a dream. Oh, friends, it fits. I was so worried because I like high tables because, like I said, I like to craft standing up. But then there are days where I like to just sit and, you know, relax and craft, which I do a lot. I am so happy right now, friends. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, friends. My Pilates reformer is here. I'm so excited. Yay, hubby is about to put it together. Here she is. My new Pilates reformer. And he also bought me a Pilates box for it. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Until next time, bye!